face reveal in 3, 2, 1. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make air dry clay. So, you'll need a mixing bowl, a spatula, some cornstarch, and sunflower oil. So you will need 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. Make sure it's even. Guys, I forgot to say that we'll also need some glue, some white glue. So now you will need 1 tablespoon of white glue. Okay, so now I'm gonna put my 1 tablespoon of glue inside the bowl. And you can take out the glue that's on the sides with your spatula. Okay, so after that, you'll need 1 teaspoon of sunflower oil. So now I'm gonna put my 1 teaspoon of sunflower oil in. Now I'm just gonna mix it all together with my spatula. If you need more glue, you can add some. Or more cornstarch, you can also add some. So guys, now when it's like good enough to knead with your hands, start to knead it like this. Just go pressing it and squeezing it and rolling it. Do it until it's the right consistency for you. If you want yours to be a bit soft, you can add some shaving foam to it. Just flatten your clay down like this, here. And then just squeeze some out. Just squeeze some shaving foam out. And then continue kneading. So guys, if you want, you can add some food coloring. I will add some pink. Okay, so guys, your air dry clay should be looking nice and stretchy by now and smooth. I'm still mixing my food coloring in my slime. See? It is looking a bit marbly now, but soon after mixing it a lot, it will be like one full color. I'm gonna add some more shaving foam because I really like mine to be like very soft and fluffy. This is how my air dry clay is looking. It's very nice and the color has mixed in very well. So bye guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and make sure to like, subscribe if you're new and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Bye!